Welcome to MTI-TV. I'm Sam, and today we're going to be exploring repairing, restoring a variety of tile and stone surfaces. I'm joined by our Business Development Manager for UltraCare Systems, Nick Valenti. Welcome, Nick. How are you?
Thanks, Sam. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. So you're going to be demonstrating the importance of sealing natural stone that has various levels of porosity by conducting a porosity test. Several questions need to be answered. For instance, when should stone be sealed? And do I treat new and existing stone and tile installation systems the same?
Great question, Sam. Natural stone can vary in its levels of porosity. It can be highly porous, it can be slightly porous, it can be minimally porous, which is a dense stone. New installations should be sealed before and after grouting. And for existing installations, it's important to run a porosity test by sprinkling water onto a small area, including the grout, to see if the water absorbs, and if it absorbs easily, the surface can accept a sealer. Always make sure the surface is clean and dry before applying any sealer.
Are there different types of grout sealers, and which sealer is the best? For instance, a water-based or a solvent-based sealer?
There are three categories of sealers. There are topical, penetrating, and enhancing sealers. Our focus today will be primarily on the penetrating sealers. As to which sealer is best, it really depends on the surface being sealed. Look at it this way. For more porous surfaces, use a water-based product. Water is a big molecule and can fill up a porous surface faster than a solvent-based product. For dense surfaces, use a solvent-based product. Solvent is a smaller molecule and can get into tighter places than water. This isn't a hard and fast rule, just a general rule of thumb. So, for example, for coral stone, which is very porous, use a water-based sealer. And for granite, which is a dense surface, use a solvent-based sealer. For a highly porous stone such as coral stone, MAPEI recommends using a high-performance water-based sealer like our UltraCare Penetrating Plus Stone Tile and Grout Sealer. This product repels both water and oil-based contaminants, leaves the stone natural in its appearance and unchanged, is 100% breathable, and can be used on both interior and exterior surfaces.
And for dense surfaces?
Well, for dense surfaces, MAPEI recommends using a premium solvent-based sealer like our UltraCare Penetrating SB Stone Tile and Grout Sealer. This granite was sealed with it. This product is designed to penetrate deep into the surface because of its smaller molecular construction. Like Penetrating Plus, Penetrating SB repels both water and oil-based contaminants, leaves the surface unchanged in appearance, is 100% breathable, and can be used on both interior and exterior surfaces.
So how deep does this penetrate into the tile or stone, and would that even be important?
Right, I'm glad you asked. I prepared these samples to show you. I applied these two products at the equivalent of about 100 square feet per gallon and let them dry overnight. For demonstration purposes, let's break them, wet the edge, and see how deep both sealers have actually penetrated.
Whoa, that's a great visual.
Well, when it comes to protecting porous tile and stone, the deeper the penetration, the deeper the protection. It's that simple. In this demo, the UltraCare Penetrating SB had about 60% greater depth of penetration versus the Brand X sealer.
So that shows how to protect tile or stone. How often should we be applying sealer?
Each application can be a little different. It's important to periodically run a porosity test to see if the surface absorbs by sprinkling some water on a few small areas. If the water easily absorbs, it's time to reseal. The frequency of resealing is directly related to the porosity of the stone, how it's being used, location, and even the maintenance. As the chart on the screen shows, it can range from every year to more porous stone to up to every 5 to 6 years for dense stone.
Okay, thanks, Nick. That's great advice. So what do we do if we have a really dirty surface?
Well, that depends on the type of soiling that we are removing.
What do you mean by the type of soiling?
Well, there are two types of soilings, organic and inorganic. Organic soiling is dirt, grease, and grime. Organic stains are best removed using a high pH alkaline cleaner. And for inorganic soils, such as efflorescence or hard water spots, using a low pH acidic cleaner is recommended.
So knowing which type of soil you have saves you time and money.
Yes, because alkaline cleaners don't remove efflorescence and acidic cleaners don't remove grease and oil. So you won't waste time using the wrong products. Most existing flooring installations have organic soiling like ground-in dirt, which appear in the wear patterns and caused by foot traffic, making them to stand out to the rest of the clean areas.
Well, now that I know that, what can I do about it?
In this demonstration, we show you how to repair a heavily soiled floor where grout haze has been left to attract dirt and develop a noticeable wear pattern. Because dirt is organic, we'll use heavy-duty, UltraCare heavy-duty stone tile and grout cleaner.
Whoa, that sure did a great job.
Well, that shows using the right product for the right situation does save you both time and money.
And speaking of saving time and money, doesn't MAPEI have a product that lets you refresh or restore the color of your grout without actually changing the grout?
That is correct, Sam. UltraCare Grout Refresh is a topical, water-based color sealer that can restore your grout back to its original color or refresh your grout to a new color. And it's available in MAPEI's full range of grout colors.
Wow, Nick, that's a lot of great information. I just want to point out how important it is to read the technical data sheets with any of these products.
Or call MAPEI's technical services with any questions.
Thanks for joining me today, Nick. I've enjoyed learning what products to use and how to protect, restore, and refresh tile, stone, and grout.
Well, you're welcome, Sam. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-992-6273 or drop by our website at www.mapei.com. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. To make sure you don't miss the next episode, click the bell down below. Thanks again for watching this edition of MTI TV.